Unlocking productivity with IFTTT.
The previous user messages stands for if this, then that. It allows you to automate tasks by connecting your apps and services, saving you time and minimizing manual work. In this video, discover easy-to-use automation recipes that help you boost productivity by linking your favorite tools from email and calendars to social media and beyond.
Getting started. What is an IFTTT recipe?
An IFTTT recipe is a simple automation. If something happens in one app, it triggers an action in another. For example, if you receive a new email, your to-do list app adds a task. These recipes require minimal setup and can revolutionize how you handle daily digital tasks with just a few clicks.
Top recipe, streamlining your schedule.
Connect Google Calendar to your notification app for daily reminders. With IFTTT, you can create a recipe that sends your agenda to your phone each morning. This simple automation ensures you start every day organized and don't miss any important appointments or meetings.
Saving time. Automate file management.
Tired of losing track of attachments? Connect your email to cloud storage. With IFTTT, set up a recipe that saves email attachments directly to OneDrive or Google Drive. This hack keeps your files organized and accessible without the need to sort or download them manually.
Boost focus, mute distractions automatically.
Enhance focus by automating your environment. For example, set IFTTT to mute your phone notifications when a calendar event labeled Focus or Meeting starts. This hands-free recipe lets you concentrate on deep work or important calls, removing the temptation of alerts and pings.
Getting creative. Explore more recipes.
IFTTT offers countless ways to automate your routines. Try syncing social posts across platforms, getting weather updates sent to your phone, or logging work hours automatically. Experiment with different combinations to find what boosts your productivity and helps you work smarter every day.